everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Well, I'm in my living room, but today's not a kitchen video. It is actually a mail call video. I got a couple of things that I wanted to share with you. First of all, I wanted to thank Baker Creek. They sent me a really cool hat. If you remember early, kind of the end of last year, we did, my husband and I did a Baker Creek challenge video, and this was kind of a thank you gift that they sent me. This and a cool bag, and I wanted to just give them a shout out and say thank you, Baker Creek, for sending me a cool hat. I'm gonna really enjoy wearing the hat. But I got another package from Two Family Homestead. Sherry reached out to me and said, hey, I want to make you something. I already know what it is, and I'm really excited about it. And I'm going to start wearing this in all my videos because, yeah, I'm really excited. And I wanted y'all to be the first to see it and see it when I see it for the first time. If y'all didn't know, they have got a new, oh, she made me 2 of them. I didn't even know she was gonna do that. I may have to get my papa to help me here. Look at this, guys. She made me, and it's probably going to be backwards in my video here, I hope not. She made me aprons with my logo. How stinking. Oh, these are, okay, these are towels. With my logos. And this is an apron. With Mama Z's logo on it. How stinking cool is this? These will be in all my videos from now on. I am so excited about that. Thank you, Sherry, from Two Family Homestead. I will wear these with pride. If y'all don't know, they make these now. So hit them up. My cat is playing with the string down here. Stop, Lucky. Cat's like, string, I'm gonna play with it. Check this out. This is awesome quality. Check out Two Family Homestead. And be sure, oh, my cat is being a turd down here. Be sure and check them out. Also check out Baker Creek for all your seed needs. And I will link both in the description below. Look at this. I just want to show y'all. Come on. How cool is that, guys? I know it's backwards in the dang camera, and I'm sorry for that. But check out Two Family. This is awesome. They can do all your printing and stuff for you now. Check them out. Let's support each other. Small business is the way to go, and you know it. Why buy things from China? Support local business. Two Family Homestead. See y'all in the next video.